everybody, welcome back to another episode of Food Outlaws. With me today, my special guest, the undefeated Jeff Gibson. We're going to be reviewing another product from Inferno Candy Company, and I'm going to let him tell you about the packaging here.
Alright, the ingredients: cheddar cheese, butter, flour, peanuts, Carolina Reaper, and scorpion peppers, sea salt and milk, FireCracker, peanut butter cheese crackers. Insanely hot.
Yeah, we might be in for some trouble. As you know, all the other products we've tried from them usually end up kicking our bottoms. We're going to open this up, pour some out, and try to eat as many as we can. Not really going to be any afterburn time limit or nothing like that. Oh, they're still in a second pouch.
Holy crap.
Alright.
It's like the heaviest package ever. It's like,
Feels like we're doing a narcotics deal or something.
yeah. Oh, shoot. You get a taste of this.
Yeah, they're definitely well packaged, vacuum sealed. Guaranteed to be fresh this away.
Oh, and sealed it on.
Yeah, even a third package.
Wow.
These things are big and thick.
You guys package your stuff like this, you never get caught.
Yeah, ain't that the truth?
They look hot.
Grab a couple out of here. Yeah, these are well coated, both sides. Whew. Doesn't really smell hot though. Well, he dove right in. Mmm. Mmm.
There it is. Comes in after.
A lot of peanut butter on here.
Mm-hmm. Not bad though. Well, that one wasn't. But these are coated. Whew-wee. Lots of coating. They're getting warm now.
Yeah, hotter than you would expect. Took my breath away for a second.
I did those though.
Yeah, insanely hot. They are not lying on this. Once again, FireCrackers. Inferno Candy Company. Whew. I might need the old water bottle after this.
They're heavy. Was it the heaviest damn peanut butter cracker? I like them.
They definitely got a cheddar flavor,
Yeah.
and you can definitely taste the peanut butter throughout, but it's got some heat.
You definitely have to have something to drink. Not for the fact just hot, because they're peanut butter crackers.
Yeah, if you like something that's hot, if you like something like the peanut butter and cheese cracker type thing with a little spice, this would be good.
Yep, I can handle those.
I wouldn't recommend eating the entire pack. 1.5's got me on fire. I'd probably say I'm at about a 6 or a 7 heat level just from that.
Yeah, I'm sweating.
Of course, we know this guy can eat anything. Never failed a challenge yet. Once again, peanut butter cheese crackers, FireCracker, Inferno Candy Company. We're gonna cut this one off short there. Pretty much all we can say about these. They taste good, but they're hot. Not insanely hot though. You can eat a couple of them and be just fine. But far as that goes, once again, Jeff Gibson, you know me, we're the Food Outlaws, and we'll see you on the next episode. Until next time.